Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to set up and configure your Google Analytics with a WordPress website. So first of all, you want to go to analytics.google.com. You want to click on Google Analytics. Now you can log in with a Gmail account or whatever G Suite account. So I'm going to use my Gmail account. Now on this page it says welcome to Google Analytics, and you want to click on set up for free. On account details, there's account name which is required, so you can type whatever account name you would like. I'm just going to type my website name. Scroll down. I will leave these as defaults. Click next. You need to enter a property name. I will enter my website name. Now here you want to make sure you select the right country, the right time zone. Click next. Now under industry category, click on the drop down menu and choose one that best describes your company or industry. On business size, you need to select one. And here says how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business. You can choose whichever one you want. I'm going to select all. Click on create. Now you must accept the terms of service agreement. Check here, also here, and click on I accept. Click on save. Now it takes you to this page and it says choose a platform. So I'm going to choose web. I'll click on web. Now you need to type in your website address. I'm going to type in mine. And enter a name for the stream name. Click on create stream. Now on this page, under global site tag, click on the drop down menu, and this is a JavaScript that needs to be copied and inserted in your WordPress site. I want to copy this, so I'm going to click on copy. So this is my WordPress site. Now in order to install that JavaScript code, you have to use a plugin. You want to click on plugin, add new. On search plugin, the plugin that I use is headers and footers, so you want to type in that in the search and click enter. So this is the one. I use this, insert headers and footers. It has over 1+ million active installations, and it's by WP Beginner. Now I already have it installed, and once you install it, you want to click on activate. So if I scroll down on my WordPress and I go to settings, it's here, insert headers and footers. Click on that. Under scripts in header, you want to right click here and paste the JavaScript. So this is it, and scroll down, click on save. So that's one way. Now if I go back to Google Analytics, I click on the home button. So once you do that, it takes a couple of hours and you will start to see data here. Now another way to connect your Google Analytics with your WordPress website is by using another plugin. So you want to go to plugins, add new, and you want to search for Monster Insights. So this is the plugin. It has over 2+ million active installations. Click on install now. Click on activate. Now scroll down until you see it. So it's here. Now on the left side, it should be listed here, Insights. So you want to click on Settings. You want to click on Connect Monster Insights. Use the same email that you logged in your Google Analytics with. It has to be the same email address. Click Allow. This message shows up. The selected account doesn't have any Google Analytics web properties. This message shows up because Google Analytics, it's a newer version. So you have to go back to Analytics homepage, click on Admin. Now on the right side, click on Create Property. Type in a property name. Select the time zone. Click on Show Advanced Options. And this is where you want to create a universal analytics property. This has to be enabled. Type in your website address. Select Create a Universal Analytics Property Only. Click Next. So on this page, you want to click on the drop-down menu. Select your industry category. Select whichever one you want, and you can choose any one. I'm going to just select all, but you can select which one you would like. So click Create. Dismiss this. And this is the tracking ID. Also, it gives you the JavaScript code. Now I'm going to go back to the WordPress. So this is the WordPress site. So you want to click on Insights, select Settings. You want to scroll and click on Launch Setup Wizard. Select anyone. I'm going to choose Business Website. Click Save and Continue. Click on Reconnect Monster Insights. You want to click on the email account that you use to log in to your Google Analytics. Click Allow. You want to pick a profile. So this is my default. Click Complete Connection. Scroll down and click Save and Continue. You can also enable this, install updates automatically. Click on Save and Continue. Click on Finish Setup and exit Wizard. So that's it. Monster Insight is configured with Google Analytics for your WordPress website. If I click on reports here, this will show me all the reports from my website. So that's it. So these are the two options, and it uses two plugins. So you can choose either Monster Insights or Header and Footer plugin and configure your Google Analytics with your WordPress website. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I thank you for watching. I ask you to subscribe.